Thirikari ĩrĩ na mwĩhoko wa gũkinyaniria kĩoneki kĩao gĩa kũhukia ũhũthĩri wa ibandĩ cia tene na kuiyukia cia kĩrĩu. Ũũ nĩ thengia wa macira marĩa mathite na mbere na kũgũmĩra mũbango ũyũ. Kuma mwaka mũhĩtũku ũheani wa ibandĩ icio ng'etheirwo nĩ macira matatũ. Mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũthami Ambassador JULIUS BITOK akĩaria thutha wa gũcemania na atabarĩri a mĩhang'o ya thirikari na county commissioner kaunti-inĩ ciothe 47.
And we have called upon our regional commissioners, our county commissioners, our sister department of internal security and the national administration to help us actually be able to roll out public participation around the country.
We now take this opportunity to call upon members of the public to be alert and to be ready so that they can have that opportunity to go to these engagement forums and give their opinion as far as Maisha number and Maisha card is concerned.
OIGITE thengia wa igereria mutigaire President Mwai Kibaki na President Mũhuro kwĩra Uhuru Kenyatta gũcenjia ibandĩ kũgũtha ihiga, thirikari ya President William Ruto nĩ gathĩkĩte mawatho na mĩtaratara.
One of the reasons why Uduma failed is because of the Data Protection Act, which was not in place. It is Uduma actually which brought that act. And you know, Kenyans like to question many things and they like to find out what's going on. And I think it is their democratic right to do that. Some of the reasons why Kenyans keep on going to court is because of public participation. Like, for example, the reason why we are at this forum today is because we want to consolidate our public participation using Ngao. But it's the very reason why Kenyans are also going to court. So it is back and forth. But we are saying we are doing our best to comply and to ensure that we do everything that is required by court. In fact, some of the feedback we get from our Ngao officials on the ground is what we are going to present to court as evidence that these are the things we have done.
BITOK ahithũrĩtie gũkinyaniria na rĩu thirikari nĩ heanĩte ibandĩ cia kĩrĩu mirioni 1.6 akĩũria arĩa mateyandĩkithĩtie kuoya kamweke gaka kuona marĩhi nĩ magũithĩtio na gĩcunjĩ kĩnene.
For new applications, they pay 300 shillings, but the cost of the card of this card is about 700 shillings. But the government has subsidized. Now you pay 300. But when you lose the card and you want to replace it, the gazetted charges are 1,000 per card.
Ciĩgiĩ bata wa kwĩrũhia ibandĩ ici thutha wa mĩaka 10, BITOK oigĩte gĩbandĩ gĩkĩ gĩgũkorwo gĩkinyanĩire ikĩro cia kĩmabũrũri, oro ũndũ ũmwe gũkorwo na ũgitĩri wa igũrũ wa kũgirĩrĩria ekinaĩ gwĩthondekera.
We're also saying this issue of expiry is important because the features of somebody's face keep on changing. When you take a picture at 18 years, by the time you are 60, you are so different. People will wonder whether it is you. So this expiry date also helps us to be able to review and refresh and get the latest features of the person, particularly the picture.
Mũbango ũyũ ũngĩkinyanĩra Mũkenya arĩkoragwo na namba ĩmwe ĩrĩa ĩrĩhũthĩkaga mũtũrĩre-inĩ wake wothe.
And that number becomes a lifetime number. It's a number that newborns are given and it is carried by their birth certificate. And when they go to school, it becomes their primary school registration number, it becomes their secondary school registration number, it becomes their ID number when they get to 18, it becomes their KRA PIN, it becomes their number for NHIF or SHIF, it becomes their number for taxes, it becomes for their lifetime number.
Kameme TV gĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.